Okay, this is a video for the SWB workbook, CSWB2 cold brew coffee and measures repeatability. What we got here is some data for concentration of caffeine in cold brew coffee. Two sets of data, one for starting conditions, 5% coffee and 10% coffee. So what we want to do is use Excel to get the average and the standard deviation for both of these sets of data. First thing we'll notice is that there's an awful lot of points, information off a decimal point in all these data. That's how it comes off the machine. This was done using HPLC equipment. So what I'm going to do is select the data, and then I'm going to reduce the number of figures we can see after the decimal point, just to make it a little bit sort of clearer what's happening. So I've selected that data, and I've clicked on right click, and I'm now going to format cell. Bring up so we can see it. I'm going to click on number, and you'll see it's already set to 2, but you can set the number of decimal places you want. Click on OK, and it goes down to 2 decimal places. Now don't worry, it hasn't disappeared. We can get the information back if we want it, just by clicking the reverse button or the forward button to go back to where we were before. Right, okay, it's made it look a bit cleaner. So what I want is the average of these sets of data. So it's very easy to do. We're going to use a formula in Excel for the first time. So use formulas, you type average equals, and then you type in the particular name of whichever function you want. It will offer you a range of things and some information what you want to do. But basically what we're going to do is type equals average, open brackets, select this information, go up here, close the brackets, and click OK. Okay, it's gone over one side. We'll do that in a second. Now we want to do this for this column as well, and that's quite easy. All you do is drag it across. Now you notice in here it's the average from C4 to C7, and here it's the average from D4 to D7. We do something similar for standard deviation. We put in equals, we type in StDev, open brackets, select these data, close brackets, put in a little tick, and then we can pull across. We'll notice it's got quite a lot of decimal places in there because we didn't specify the bottom one was just going to be 2 decimal places. So there's a couple of ways we can get around that. First thing I'm going to do is going to make everything left justified. Now we could go in here again and do right click with format cells and set it that way. But there's another way which you can do, which is often quite quick when you don't want to change a lot of things. If you just click on there, and that's the format we want. We then go up to that little paintbrush, which is called the format painter, and click on it. And then go down here and just pull across, and it puts the 2 other cells in the appropriate format we want. Right, okay, so that's that video completed.